Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to change region in Valorant. So this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to support.riotgames.com. I will let the link in the description, so don't worry. And then you have to scroll down here and choose request transfer region. So you press it, you have to wait a few seconds, and then you will see that here there is a tutorial. So you have to log in. And as you can see, it gives us an error. This is very common, so what we have to do is to go here to submit a ticket, and you have to press it, and here you have to choose request type. Okay, so here we have to look for account management. We press that and we wait till here. Okay, so you choose your platform and you have to say I want to change region. You select here your inquiry, that will be account management, and need help changing region or residence. So you press it, and here in the description you ask, I want to transfer, I don't know, for example, to Europe, and you submit the ticket, and in a few minutes, hours or days, you will be able to be transferred to your favorite region. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time, easy way.